Well, dry weather should return most of Thursday, kind of like today. There aren't too many showers around. Tomorrow, probably the same amount or less. So with some sunshine, temperatures may be slightly hotter. Temperatures still close to 90 in most areas tomorrow. We do see some moisture starting to increase by the weekend and early next week, which could mean increasing chances for showers. So maybe a few more showers during the daytime over the weekend and maybe even a few more than that by early next week, but not looking for really widespread rain or heavy rain or long-lasting rain around. Showed you a couple of small showers around earlier, and there's not much left out there right now. The First Warn 5 Doppler network shows very little action, little shower here and there across parts of the valley and into Mexico. If we zoom into Starr County, probably the heaviest of the small showers, what little ones there are, south of San Isidro, kind of right around Santa Catarina right there in northeastern Starr County. So a little shower in spots is still possible through about sunset over the next couple of hours, but probably almost all of you watching will be dry. Temperatures right now, right around 90 in McAllen, 94 in Rio Grande City, 80s in the middle and lower valley where the sea breeze has pushed inland and cooled things off a bit, but probably going to be right back up there close to about 90 for a while tomorrow afternoon with some extra sunshine around. Evening planner, if you're headed out, temperatures kind of gradually falling through the 80s after sunset, through the 70s with mostly clear skies around and dry weather after sunset and tonight. Temperatures should eventually bottom out in about the upper 60s to near 70 by morning. Now, satellite radar doesn't show, again, very much, kind of like the last few days. A couple of small showers have popped up from the coastal bend through the valley into Mexico, but really that's about it. No significant rain really around, and things looking pretty quiet over the next day or so because there's just not much to kick off a lot of rain. But moisture from the east should start to increase more and more, I think, as we go toward the weekend. So we should see a few more showers begin to bubble up in the afternoon hours as early as Saturday or Sunday through early next week. Future track, though, in the short term, the rest of tonight shows, again, just mostly clear skies. There's midnight, dry weather and clear skies. There's sunrise tomorrow, still looking pretty sunny. And during the day, it might be enough moisture to cap or to create a little shower or two around, kind of pop a little shower. But you see Future Track has nothing going on, and tomorrow may be one of those days where really nothing does go on. If there is a shower, it should be very small and very brief. So by tomorrow night and into Friday, a little more moisture comes in. There might be a spotty shower along the coast on Friday morning and then moving inland during the day. So a couple more showers. We're talking 10 to maybe as high as 20% chance for rain on Friday, depending on how much moisture is able to get in here. And kind of the same deal for Saturday. Most of the early morning and late evening hours look dry, but in between the daytime hours, kind of mid-afternoon, might be spawning a couple of showers. So if you do have plans Friday night for football or Saturday evening for anything fun, it should be dry after sunset. Rain chances still mainly dry tomorrow, about 10% on Friday and Saturday. It might get bumped a little bit higher near the coast, but not a lot of rain to go around the next couple of days. That you kind of get the point there. Your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. High temperatures stay fairly close to 90. I mean, give or take a little bit. Highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s across most of the valley for Thursday through next week. And the chances of rain are very small tomorrow and still fairly small on Friday and Saturday. It could get bumped a little higher to about 20% or 30% by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So, you know, it could rain on Halloween weekend or on Halloween, but mostly just in a few spots during the midday and afternoon hours. So if you have any plans in the evening, any of those days, any shower should die before sunset. And then we're talking about dry weather for all the trick-or-treaters during the evening hours, again, even on Monday. But you will notice a little more humidity in the air. The humidity's been kind of kept down some, but it'll be on a gradual rise later this weekend and next week. So it may not be feeling quite as comfortable out there.
It'll just make it more spooky.
Yeah, nothing like sweating in your Halloween costume.
Exactly. All right, thanks a lot, Alan.